Hello, it's me back again. Probably this is too many videos to do in a row, but anyway, I'm just going to go with it. This is my design team project for Tracie Fox for January, and this was a real fun one to do. I used her layered tag digital kit, the vintage labels and the address labels to put this together. It was the layered tag kit is the main part of it, and when I started this I had no idea what I was going to do. I just kind of went with it. I knew I didn't want to do a journal, I wanted to do something different, so what I ended up with was a concertina tag book that I've used the Happy Mail. I wanted something that you could put together and perhaps send that would be relatively cheap but fun for a journaling friend. I started off by cutting out the 5 large tags that are in the kit, which you'll see in a minute, and I backed them all onto craft card. That's where I started from, and this is what happened. I've used sari silk to tie them all together. It's very soft, pretty cream, and that's actually fixed to the back tag there, and this is just a little pink dangle that I've made to go with it. Everything else, as I say, is from the kits. I've used some pearl bling just to liven it up a little bit, and I've joined the tags together with fabric, and I don't really know, it's just a loose weave fabric. I cut 1-inch strips, glued them to the backs of the tags, if you like, and then I reinforced everything by stitching round each one individually. So these pockets are part of the kit, of course, and in the pockets I've used some extra bits in there. I've used other pieces of the kit as backing. I did resize 1 or 2 of the pictures with this kit. Most of it is used as is, but there is the odd one that's I've resized just to have a bit of more variety, really, and to fit what I wanted to do. I've just decorated the top of this part of the concertina with some sari silk and lace. You can see that I've used some quotes as well. Just checking that does all fit into frame, so that's good. This is just purely for decoration, as is this. This is very similar to the second tag. I didn't like all of the craft card showing when it came to it, so that's why I used some of the resized images just to cover up the craft card. So those are those. So that was my front, and then the back, I think I'll just turn it all over in one go and show you all in one go. The back I've decorated in a very similar way, really, using these. I think these are to make into tags to fit into these pockets, but I used them as backing for my craft card. And then this is decoration, and there's a little quote here, and then I've put some ephemera, bits of ephemera, into a glassine bag and then into the pockets. Just doing it that way, it makes it slightly easier. It's quite a tight fit to slide in and out. On this central one I've used the Tim Holtz die and some little bits of ephemera in there. So this is a tag I've made from an image from the kit. This is an Edith Holden tag, if you like, and then there's some Tim Holtz ephemera in the back, and I've done a similar thing in this one. So this is from the address labels. I've just backed that onto card, and there's some ephemera in there. I may put a little bit more in there. I think this will go into the Etsy shop. I don't know if anybody will be interested in this, but it's really actually really easy to make. As I say, it's just stitched together. Sorry, I don't know what else to say really. I did think at the time I might do some kind of tutorial with this, but Tracie has done various tutorials that will help you put this together. So it's basically 5 tags mounted onto card, linked together with strips of fabric and then decorated individually, one by one. I really enjoyed making it. Tracie, your kits are fabulous, and thank you all for watching. I'll see you all again soon.